Hello everyone. So today we are going to write our first program in Eclipse. For that we are going to download Java as well as Eclipse. So for that first download Java. So go to Google and type Java download. So go to Oracle Java downloads. Here go my system is Windows, so I'm going to the option Windows. So according to your system operating system, you can select the respective tab. So go to the Windows for Windows and click on the x64 installer, this URL. Click on this URL, the download will get started. So you can see that the download is getting started and the download is completed. So this is the Java version. This is the Java version which has got installed in our system. So JDK 20 is installed in our system. So install this Java in our system right now. Click on the run as administrator. So you will get some instructions. Just click on next and click on finish. So already I think Java is installed in my system. So I will go and uninstall it first. Then we can continue with the with the video. Yeah. So just type here Java. So I'm going to uninstall the Java and install it again for the video purpose. So you can see that the Java is uninstalled now in our system. So just go and install the software which we have downloaded in our system. Just click on run as administrator. So click on yes here. Just click on next in this window and next again. The Java is getting installed. Once it is installed, just click on finish. Yeah, so just click on this close button here. So Java is successfully installed. So to go and check that the Java is installed, just go to the PC and go to the C drive and go to the program files. See, the Java folder has been created here. So just now you can see that 1116 is shown here. So Java has been installed right now, and just go to the bin folder and copy this bin folder path and just go and give this path in the environment variables. So for that, go and search environment variables in your system. So click on the edit the system environment variables. Just click on the environment variables button in this window. Now click on the path here, double click it, then you will get this window. Here add the path of the Java bin folder. So for that, click on new and just paste your path of the bin folder and click on OK, and again click on OK and click on OK. Now the path of the Java is set in the environment variables. Now go to the Eclipse downloads. So just type Eclipse download. So you can find the Eclipse here. So you just click on this, the download of the Eclipse will happen. In my system this version is not getting installed, so I'm going with the another version of the Eclipse. So for that I'm going to the older version of the Eclipse, 4.27 2023-03. One second. So I'm going with the older version because this version is not getting installed in my system. You can try with this version, if not you can go with the other version also. So I'm going with the one older version of this. So I'm clicking on the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Click on the Windows file. The download gets started. If yours is another operating system, you can go and click on the another link here based on the system operating system. So go and check that in the download. The download is already completed. So just go and extract this folder here. Wait for the download to happen. Sorry, wait for the extraction of the download to happen. The extraction is completed. Now open the Eclipse folder. Open the Eclipse folder. Just click on the Eclipse icon here inside the folder. Click on Run as Administrator. I think first time it will take some time for the opening of Eclipse. Just wait for that. I think it's taking time for the download to happen. Please wait for this. You can see that the cursor is scrolling. One second. Yeah, I'm opening it again. I think some problem with my system. So I'm again trying to run the Eclipse. Yeah, so Eclipse is getting open right now. Sorry for that. I think there is some problem in my system, so only it took so much long time. So here, default folder Eclipse underscore workspace gets created in the C drive. So you can create a new folder there and select that for your project structure. So I have already created one folder test project, so I'm just selecting that. Or you can create a new folder here as hello world demo. So I'm selecting the created folder and clicking on launch. The Eclipse is getting loaded. So first time it takes some time, but usually for the next time it will get open very easily. So just click on close this one and click on create a Java project, or you can go from here file and click on new Java project. So here I am giving the project name in this text box. So I'm typing hello world demo. Just click on finish. So there is the Java project created, hello world demo. This is the Java project created, and then I'm going to create a new class called as hello world or something, and I'm going to print the sentence hello world. So for that I'm going to create a new package. So it's not recommended to write a class in this default folder, so I'm going to create a new package here and keep all my classes in the package. So 1 minute. Yeah, so I'm going to click on the new package here. Here I'm going to give hello world. So it is recommended to always write a package with small case. So for that reason I'm giving small case hello world name and clicking on finish. Then the hello world package is got created. Now we are going to create a Java class here. So for that I'm right clicking on the hello world and clicking on new class. So new Java class is going to get created here. So for class name I'm going to go with the capital letter hello world. So I'm going to select the main method and click on finish. So once you select this option, you will get the main method syntax in your class. So for that I'm going to select that option and click on finish. So this is the class which we are going to create right now. So I'm going to print the statement hello world. So this is the syntax of the main method, and this is the syntax of the class. So for the class, we have given the name hello world, and this is the syntax of the main method. So the main method is like whenever the program is getting run, so execution starts from the main method. So in detail we are going to discuss on the meaning of this syntax in the next classes. So I'm going to print a line hello world here, system out dot println. So I'm going to write here hello world. So just save it and click on right click here and click on run as Java application. So you will get the output hello world. So you can see that we have written our first program, Java program, and we have got the output for our program here as hello world. So that's it guys, thank you.